This is the home screen, and once you first open the application, it will pretty much ask you some very important questions which you will need to answer so you can get the best result from this application here. And as you can see here, all you have to do is just tap on the one that you choose, and it will pretty much select it for you. So as you can see here, based on what I want to achieve using this application here, I select those options. So as you can see here, areas that I want to focus on, pretty much my age, and I will just select some random stuffs. And so I'll just select some random stuffs here, but you do need to enter the correct information so you guys do get the right results when using this application here. So once you're finished selecting the information about yourself so you can give it the best results on what you need to improve, we'll start loading. We'll ask some of the questions here, as you can see here, and we'll schedule or create a personal plan based on your information that you have given it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see here, this is my personal fitness plan that I'll be using. As you can see here, we'll show pretty much everything as it relates to where I want or what I want to achieve using this application here. Just tap on continue. It will show you the subscription page. Nothing much, just tap on the X here at the top to remove the subscription here. And as well, you're gonna tap on the X for the lucky draw section here. So let me wait for this to load a bit. So let's tap on the X at the top here. You're pretty much good to go. So once you have done that, we'll say email or log in with email. Just tap on continue with email, and you're pretty much good to go. You can just tap on the X here. As you can see here, these are all information based on what I want to work out. At the top here, will show you your progress, how long you have worked out, and also how consistent you are as it relates to your streaks. And you have other workouts which you can do other than your direct plan and what you want to achieve with this application here. As you can see here, if I scroll across, I have different workouts that I will need to do per day. So different workout that I will need to do per day. So you can also scroll down a bit and see other workout plan which you can also add or do as well. So you have the AI coach option, which pretty much nothing much for this. We'll just create a workout routine as it relates to what we want to work out with. And once you've selected, let's say you want to work out on one thing, let's say you want to work out on your arms, also let it know that you don't have any equipment. And you can also go in the equipment section here to select whichever equipment you have available to use. So let's say I have only this equipment here, and I'll select that here. And whether you're either at the gym or you're at home, and you can also set the time to how long you want the workout to be. Let's say 60 minutes, and then you just tap on create workout, and you're pretty much good to go. So you will need a subscription to be able to use the AI coach feature, so do keep that in mind. So in the library section, nothing much, just some other workouts which you can do other than the plan that they have given you. So let's say you want to arm training, you can go in this section here. You can see lots of different types of arm workout which you can do as well. So the stat section is pretty much tracking your daily workout, calories, everything as it relates to you and the application, how consistent you are and using the application. Me section, this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. As you can see here, you have the Go Premium option here. Once you tap on this, you'll be able to get the premium subscription. As it relates to you getting the premium subscription, you'll be able to access the AI coach option and some other features. So as you can see here, the prices for the monthly subscription is $12, say $13. And you have a 12-month subscription, and it's $3 per month, and you have a 3-month subscription here. So very easy to use. Some of the times you will see the discount offer that they'll be giving you. If you want to get the subscription, then it'd be a grab for getting this 50% off. So that's pretty much it for that there. And yes, if I miss anything at all, Just let me know in the comment section. I would gladly love to help you out. See you in the next one.